Jahkno star. They nowadays girl me no know. I couldn't materialistic so. Make no turn so. I'm no materialistic but a bag of shit. But then again, me can't really blame you. As something we get passed down the bloodline through E. And it just embedded in our genes for see things were pretty and want it. I want to get close to the person we have it. The materialistic girl that I want to talk about today are the one them will love man because of them care. Some man will love Ross care man so much. Me I feel wonder to myself if you know daddy own a care man. Because as soon as a man saying drive, you know we make him take a drive up Panty Avenue, over Virginity Hill and into Pum Pum Canal Lane. You know fi tap love man because of material shit. Tap love man because of car. You can't blame the car man them fi take the pums when they get, you know what I mean? Cause car is the new panty vanishing machines. I don't know what gonna happen to someone. Is it that not helpless against some of them car? I mean I call them car no more, you know. I call them panty vanishing machines. Cause as soon as one pass, the panty gone. I don't know say I don't like me I tell. Some of them carry where them a make. Carry them have the aesthetics for please woman. So you not even say one word out of your mouth. They see the car.
The panty gone.
Your bossy door.
The panty gone.
They smell the new car scent. The panty gone. You press the starter button. The panty gone. You put on your seatbelt. The panty gone. And as soon as you touch the gas pedal, the panty make it its way away.
The panty gone.
And some of them girls are move way too still, you know. Anything past them. If I want Lamborghini, Benz, donkey car, a hand car, panty gone. Some of them girls you can't get them God over with you, know. You can't get them God over with you. Because as soon as one car pass,
the panty gone.
and you have some other car to what me call the Pum Pum Meissner.
The pum pum mice.
The vaginal lubricants. As soon as they carry they pull up, everywhere wet up. Every panty seat wet up like somebody cut one hose. And the female. As soon as they get you drive, yeah, them turn the best of friend. They just want to give you pum pum so. They just want to hand you out in your hand. You see me? Me not driving no. I and I gonna flip this script. You, as the female, have to have a car to get me. You understand? And any girl who wants to be with me, be prepared to come and hear this. Bitch, you drive? Kevin, me want you. Bitch, you drive? Kevin, me need you.
Bitch, you drive?
Kevin, me love you. Bitch, you drive? Kevin. Bitch, you drive? Kevin, me want marry you.
Bitch, you drive?
Kevin, me want give you the dun. Bitch. Ah, carry come. Some of them girls are panty coming like Dover Raceway. As I hear, is another man in the pum pum. Before you know it, them have a whole racing team in them draws. And for a long time, the artists them a talk about it too, you know. Charlene have pretty car eye. Top with the pretty car eye business. Some of them pretty girls, I want me see some of the nigga them have cock up in the front of them car. Make sure so not kick with their foot there, you know. And when me say kick with foot, me mean say uno. Make sure say uno. I can them every time though. And make sure say you have her there just a pose and look pretty. And you know what up, some of them same girl I know, if you can't broke down, you think never come out gonna help you push nothing. And some of them man fool too, you know. Because some of them girls are with their hell. And you not hear from them for weeks. And then call you.
Hello, you can't come pick me up?
Oh, where the
But I help.
Jahkno star.
Please come pick me up now.
Ah, me soon forward.
When I idiot, I'm panty puppet. When the girl call you know for just run them way. Especially if you not get in at the drizzles. Big up the niggas them when you say from before them a drive them a get gal. And big up the niggas them when you say them not fi drive nothing fi get gal. Gal just see and want and you just talk to them and get gal. You know fi have car fi get gal. Cause car no get gal. Man, get girl. Some of the girls need to understand themselves. Understand themselves. Zine? And stop be so goddamn materialistic. Just because a man drive a car and a run go give me pum pum, Zine. When they get where they want and cut, shut up. Shut your mouth. And you set up yourself for that. Shut up. When in the heart crash, they don't talk about home and a dog and one back. That argument there get stale now. It get stale. Stop set up on yourself. Forget. But seriously, girls, wanna do better. Do ras better, man. Cheese peas wheeze
Honest to God, me don't know when I'm gonna do with some other woman. But I start at least saying can't up in a son, them foot tap, but them see a walk, foot man a come, them run, them hit you a walk, and see them in a bus back. Don't look at y'all when you see that in bus back. Hey, Jahkno, you know them girls. Yo! Raja, no. Go subscribe and follow me on Twitter. Like my Facebook page.
Yes, man.